This video is brought to you by Railroad Safety. Always stop at the railroad crossing, no matter how far the train is away, to avoid getting hit or injured by a train. This is Railroad Safety. Video is based on railroad safety. Please do not attempt to play on tracks or try and cross the tracks when the train is coming. Okay, guys, I just put a car on the tracks there, and I'm going to make my model train come around the tracks. So we're just going to pretend he is moving. So when the train comes around, he's going to hit. Don't do what this guy is doing. He is crossing the tracks, and the lights are flashing, but the lights don't flash, and that's okay. Here comes the train. Oh my god. The train hit it. Rail traffic control 661. We hit a car. Okay, thanks for letting us know. In this scene, emergency crews have arrived on the scene, including the police department, checking on the car that tipped over on the tracks. The driver and the conductor are not too happy about this. They are gonna get the car off the tracks. In this scene over here, they are loading the car that was hit by the train onto a Walmart truck. It is gonna be taken to a yard. Looks like it's hard for the thing to close. First, we'll close this. Second, we'll put this guy in. Close this thing in. Close one more thing truck. The guy's in. And it's on its way taking them towards the area. Woohoo! This is Canadian Pacific 661. Can we depart? 661, this is rail traffic control. You can depart. In this scene, the train is departing. Sorry guys, sometimes it gets stuck there. Hope you learned your lessons, guys. Never stop on the railroad tracks, because bad things happen. It is bad.